This is Acer Aspire 1, one of the latest laptop in the budget of 40,000 that comes with a Ryzen 5 processor. In this video, I will show you all the benchmark tests plus gaming performance of this laptop, so stay tuned till the end. So while opening the box, first of all, here we get one coupon code that can be applied while purchasing the next item from Acer official store. Next, here we have a envelope, and inside the envelope we get one user manual, and here is the laptop. And according to first impression, the laptop is really looking beautiful. With the laptop, here we have one power cord, and at the end we have 64.98 watt adapter. Alright guys, this is Acer Aspire 1 laptop. If we talk about its build quality, complete body is made up of polycarbonate material. At the center here we have a Acer branding that comes with a too thin line that makes it look really good. As of now, all the budget laptop comes with a absolutely plain body, but this two line in this Acer laptop makes it different from other brands. The laptop is powered with Ryzen 5 40 series processor that comes with 4 core and 8 thread with base speed of 2.8 GHz, powered with integrated AMD Radeon 610M graphics. It has 512 GB of NVMe Gen 3 SSD and 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM. The processor in this laptop is really good, but I believe brand has done the cost cutting on its RAM and SSD as it is Gen 3. And I believe these two components in this laptop may do the bottleneck in performance that I will share with you later in the benchmark section. It comes with a full HD 14-inch IPS display with 45% anti-SC. The display quality looks really good one, and it is perfect for office work and watching movies at home. The display can be opened up to 180 degree, that is really a good sign. And at the top here we have a HD webcam. The quality is very average. To be frank, the webcam quality is really bad on this laptop. Next, the privacy shutter is given on the left side of the I/O panel, and at the bottom we have air intake vents and two downfire speakers. The speaker quality is okay and is loud enough to enjoy movies at your home with friends and family. Air exhaust vents are given at the back. Here you get non-backlit keyboard. The space between the keys are managed well, and the typing experience is good one. The touchpad is responsive and supports all required multi-gesture. Now let's have a look on this laptop ports. On the left hand side here we have power input port, HDMI, USB Type A 3.0, USB Type C 3.0. On the right hand side we have security lock slot, USB Type A 2.0, 2-in-1 audio port and one micro SD card reader. These things I like about this laptop. Hence you cannot upgrade the SSD, but at least you can use the micro SD card that is cheaper than SSD. So you can buy extra SSD card and use on this laptop as a external storage device. So on paper the build quality features really looks good, but how is the performance? Now I'm going to share with you its exact benchmark score. But before going forward, I would just like to let you know this is not a sponsored video. I have purchased this laptop just for review and testing purpose. If you really like my work, make sure to buy this laptop from the link given in the description section below. If you use my link, it will help my channel, plus you will also get the laptop at the best price. Now let's go forward. Here I have the complete report of this laptop. So first of all, I have run the silly benchmark test where multi-thread score was 699 and single core score we got 367. That is very less as compared to other laptop in the budget. Next we have run the 3D Mark Time Spy that test how is the gaming performance. So here we have got the score only 508. Yes, this is not a gaming laptop. Next we have run the CPU profile test where we get a maximum thread score is 1464, and while running stress test we have got the score 92.7%, and the laptop fail in stress test. Next we have run the night rate test that actually tests the integrated graphics performance while playing game, and here we have got overall good score of 5368. Next we have run the crystal disk mark test, and here we have got a read score of 1782 and write score of 1539. That is also not good. And blender test result here with you in the screen. So as I have already told you, the brand has given Gen 3 SSD and LPDDR5 RAM. I think that is doing the bottleneck. Next, we have tried a video editing on this laptop. So I have used a Filmora application and tried 4K video with only 4 layers, A-roll, B-roll, background music and text. But instead of this, the timeline was lagging a lot. So if you're planning to buy this laptop for video editing and all, I will not recommend you this laptop. And for rendering one 10 minutes video, it takes more than 1 hour of time. Next, I have also tried 3 PC games on this laptop, that is GTA 5, Forza Horizon 5 and Shadow of Tomb Raider. Out of all 3, only one game is playable, that is GTA 5. So if you are a GTA 5 lover, nothing to worry on that. At least you can easily enjoy the game on this laptop at around 20 to 25 FPS. While running Forza Horizon 5, the game was lagging a lot and it is unplayable. At the same time, while running Shadow of Tomb Raider, again the game lags a lot and there are too much of frame drop. Now let's talk about the final verdict, whether you should buy this laptop or not. If you are an office user and you usually work on application like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or you want a laptop just to do a presentation, then you can buy this laptop. If you are a student and planning to buy a laptop for watching online classes, then definitely this laptop is good one, because I like the battery backup of this laptop that gives you around 5 to 6 hours very easily. And one more thing, if this laptop comes under 40,000 rupees, then only you should go with this laptop. Above 40,000, I will absolutely not recommend, because you will easily get Core 3 14th Gen processor, where you will get much better performance from this. So this is all about today. I hope you have found this video helpful. So all the laptop that I recommend you in this video, I have given the link in the description section below. Make sure to check it out. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe it. Thank you for watching.